Subordinating conjunctions connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. The word as is a subordinating conjunction that shows three main relationships: time, reason, or comparison. It links two parts of a sentence to explain how they connect to each other. Subordinating conjunctions connect a dependent clause to an independent clause. A dependent clause cannot stand alone as a complete sentence. They show relationships between the clauses such as time, reason, or comparison to make sentences more complete and meaningful. The word as has three main uses as a subordinating conjunction. First, it shows time, meaning when something happens. Second, it shows reason, meaning it explains why something happens. Third, it shows comparison, meaning how things are similar to each other. The basic structure uses an independent clause followed by as and a dependent clause. For example, she arrived as the meeting started. The independent clause is she arrived, and the dependent clause after as explains when it happened. This structure works for all three uses of as. When as shows time, it explains when one action happens at the same time as another. Rain started as we left home means the rain began at the exact moment we walked out the door. He smiled as she walked in means his smile happened when she entered the room. When as shows reason, the dependent clause comes first to explain why the main action happened. As it was raining, we stayed inside means the rain was the reason we did not go out. Notice how as at the beginning makes the reason clear and direct. When as shows comparison, it usually appears in as structures to show equality. She sings as beautifully as a bird means her singing quality equals a bird's singing. He runs as fast as lightning means his speed equals lightning's speed. To summarize, as for time shows when events happen together. As for reason explains why something occurs. As for comparison shows when two things have the same quality or degree. Practice recognizing these three uses in different sentences. Remember the three main uses. Time means when, reason means why, comparison means how things match. Each use connects a dependent clause to the main idea differently. Use as correctly to make your English sentences clear and natural.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.